Hi students, today we're going to change our long vowels in these words. So this one is like. We're going to change it to lake. Like to lake. So we have to change the long I to an A. So on our paper, on number 1, we're going to write lake. A-K. So we're going to change our I to an A. Change our I to an A. That makes it lake. That's number 1. Number 2 is tail. Tail. We're going to change tail to tile. So change the A to a I. Aisle. Number 3, we have ripe. Ripe, we're going to change ripe to rope. So you're going to change your I to an O for rope. So number 3 is rope. Rope. Number 4, we have cane. 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 Change the A to cone. Cane. Cone. So we're going to change our vowel to an O. Cone. Own. Cone. That's number 4. Number 5 is fame. Aim. Fame. We're going to change the A. We're going to change fame to fume. Fame. Fume. Fame. Fume. So the same thing, you're just changing the vowel. I'm going to tell you the other ones. Fame. Fume. Number 6 is race. We're going to change it to rice. Race, rice. Number 7, we have ache, bake. We're going to change bake to bike. Bake, bike. Number 8, we have dine. We're going to change dine to dune. Dune. This is a little more tricky because it's the U, dune. Number 9 is line. Line. We're going to change it to lane. Line, lane. Number 10, we have main. We're going to change the main to mine. Mine. Number 11, we have mile. Mile. Change the mile to mule. Mile, mule. That one's a little more tricky because it's hard to hear. And then our last one is pole. Change pole to pile. Pole, pile. I will post all these pictures, and I will also post an answer so you can check your answers to make sure they're all right. So we're changing the long vowel. Changing the long vowel.